I saved this carpet cleaner with 3D printing. Let me show you how I did it again. The trigger on this thing was floppy and kept binding up, preventing soap from flowing. Quickly realizing when I disassembled the handle, one of the pivot pins is broken off, I know I need a 3D model and print a replacement. I snapped a photo of the original one laying on a bench next to a rule, and then pulled that image into Autodesk Fusion. I can calibrate the scale of the image using a calibrate function for the canvas, and then I can sketch around the outline of the body I'm trying to replicate. Extruding up the body gives me the rough shape that I'm going to be working with. Now I need the pivot pin. I modeled this separately so that it can work with the strength of a 3D print. It's meant to lay flat on the print bed next to the trigger as that prints, so the layer lines will make it stronger. Of course, then I need to install it into the trigger, which means acetone. I printed these parts in ASA, which is melted by acetone. So when I drip a little of it into the pin hole and then dip the pin into it, I can press that into the trigger. It was a tight fit before, now it's a glued in fit. It's melted and welded together. And that gives me a replacement trigger mechanism that I can install into this Bissell carpet cleaner. Then I can test run to confirm the fix, and that's how